Introducing PixelCable, an app-controlled interactive USB fast-charging cable. Every time when you charge your device with PixelCable, it will greet you with a boot animation. Download Q Charger app and turn on Bluetooth. You can also change the greeting from the animation presets. The movement directions and speed of the animation can be easily adjusted according to your needs. If there's someone you like but don't have the courage to tell her so, type your love in PixelCable and send it to her as a gift. She will understand your confession immediately when connecting her phone with PixelCable. PixelCable can also work as your own private messenger. You can type your favorite inspirational quote to encourage yourself after a whole day's hard work. You can also download images online and create your own personalized startup animation according to different holidays and moods. You can turn on the full battery alert via app. Once the battery is fully charged, your phone will give you a prompt tone or vibration. Also, it will remind you when the charging is interrupted. With a built-in MCU chip, PixelCable can display the real-time charging output power. You can easily know when your device is fast charging or not. C2C PixelCable supports power delivery up to 100 watts. CTOL PixelCable supports 20-watt power delivery. PixelCable is woven with nylon braid to increase strength and elegance. The attached genuine strap lets you manage your cable neatly and ensures that your cable doesn't get tangled up. And it is available in two colors, black and white.